Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace headlight on a Chevy Equinox. Okay, the one right here we have first generation. We have many videos, guys. Make sure you check out our channel. Check out our main channel, which is growing crazy fast. We have about 14,000 subscribers almost. So now, what you need to do in order to remove the headlight, you need to remove that trim right here. And if you use a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver and you're very careful, you'll be able to remove it without breaking it. Okay, you just need to get it loose. There is a few clips here and there. Okay, like that. And we need to keep doing that until the end of the vehicle there. Okay, and that's how we remove that one. Now, headlight has 3 screws. 2 on top that are visible right here. Okay, 10mm socket for both of them. And there is another one that is located right there. As you can see, this is a bolt actually. Okay, we got that one loose now. And the headlight should come out without removing the bumper. Hopefully we'll be able to do that, otherwise it's quite a bit of work to do it. Okay, you need to leave this thing up there and you need to pull it to the front a little bit. Okay, if you pull right here on this side, okay, there is one rubber glide, and all we need to do is disconnect the wire. Just push down on the notch and pull the wires, okay, at the same time. They tend to get stuck sometimes. Okay, right there, and one more right here. And this is, guys, the headlight of that Equinox right now. So that's how simple it is to remove it and replace it. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.